Howdy, folks. We're back again and live at 526, battling for 5 grams of Gary's Gold. I don't know what you call that. I think that's alliteration. However, it's the truth. We got 5 grams of Gary Gold that we're going to battle off. I got 16 spots that I'm going to copy over here and paste. All ridiculousness aside. To see who we can find a winner. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got an 8, which means we're golden. Good luck, folks. Andrew, round 1, and round 2, and round 3. He's rolling. Scott, round 4, and 5. Andrew, round 6. Mr. Kushner, Ed, round 7, which brings us to the all-important last round. Nature Boy. Good luck. Here we go. And the winner is Andrew Morris. And at number 1, congratulations, sir. Here's the verification code and official results. ISGVYO. Andrew Morris, number 1, is the victor of Gary's Gold. 5:27. I'm done. There it is. Again, here's the official results and our winner. Congrats. See you next time. Thanks.